Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video we are going to see how to fix Schlage door lock not locking slash unlocking or working, stuck bolt slash handle fix plus alignment. A Schlage door lock that isn't working is usually caused by dead batteries, a misaligned deadbolt, or an engaged vacation mode. Fix it by replacing the batteries, ensuring the interior thumb turn is horizontal, clearing door frame obstructions, or performing a basic reset. Here is how you can methodically troubleshoot and fix your lock. Fix 1. Check for vacation mode. If your keypad accepts your code, flashes green, but the door won't unlock, you may have accidentally enabled vacation mode, which locks out all user codes. The fix is to enter your 6-digit programming code, wait for 3 beeps and the Schlage button to flash orange. Then press the Schlage button followed by 7. Fix 2. Inspect the interior turnpiece. If your keypad or app works but the door isn't locking from the outside, the interior thumb turn might be set to always unlocked. The fix is to remove the interior cover and ensure the turnpiece is in horizontal position and not vertical. You should hear a click as it engages the locking mechanism. Fix 3. Replace the batteries. Erratic beeping, 3 red X, or an unresponsive keypad usually signals low power. The fix is to slide off the interior battery cover and replace the 4AA batteries with brand new premium alkaline batteries. Avoid mixing batteries brands or using lithium batteries. Fix 4. Fix door alignment and logjam errors. If the motor strains or you get a log jam alert in your Schlage Home app, the deadbolt is likely rubbing against the strike plate in the door frame. This is often caused by seasonal wood swelling or sagging hinges. The fix is to test the lock while the door is open. If it locks perfectly while open, your frame is the problem. Ensure your deadbolt strike plate hole is at least 1 inch deep or tighten your sagging hinges. Fix 5. Reset the lock. If the electronics are frozen and the lock won't respond to any inputs, a power reset is often the best solution. Fix is remove the battery tray, wait for 10 seconds, and plug it back in. And if this doesn't fix the software glitches, you may need to perform a complete stage factory default reset using the button inside the lock housing. You will need to reprogram your user codes afterwards. Fix 6. Physical key bypass. If your keypad is dead and the door is locked, do not force the handle. Use the physical backup key to unlock the door manually. And once the door is open, you can safely remove the interior assembly to check for disconnected motor wires or inspect the internal cog wheel. Thanks for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share and subscribe to our channel.